Thank you for reaching out to us for help designing your dream space. Today, we'll be showing you how to install your doorknobs or pulls onto your beautiful new cabinets. Placement is a matter of personal preference, but we're here to help with some recommendations. We'll be detailing just a few of the many methods used to install decorative hardware, and there may be better options for your specific setup. If you're unsure, we recommend seeking help from a professional. Here's what you'll need: decorative hardware of choice, blue masking tape, tape measure, screwdriver, power drill, drill bit in the size listed on your chosen hardware's packaging, mounting putty, optional, plastic template, optional. Note, we recommend making all door and drawer alignment adjustments before beginning. If you're installing knobs rather than pulls onto your cabinets, you can quickly and easily locate a drawer front center by using masking tape and a straight edge. We recommend using blue masking tape or any other color that will be easy for you to see. Using your masking tape, start at one corner of the drawer front and create a line to the opposite diagonal corner. Then do the same on the opposite diagonal corner, creating an intersecting X. Then use your straight edge to create a more precise line, following the same steps. Placing the masking tape down first will allow you to trace the line of the straight edge with a pencil without damaging the finish of your cabinets. The point where the two diagonal lines meet will be your center. Mark this spot with your pencil. Optionally, you can use mounting putty to temporarily affix your hardware to the drawers or doors so you can stand back and look at it from multiple angles to ensure that you're satisfied with the placement. When you're ready to proceed, prepare your drill and drill bit to make a hole at the marked center point. Remember to drill the holes with the door open to avoid drilling into the cabinet face frame. Get your drill up to speed first before pressing it to your cabinet doors or drawer fronts. You can also keep the masking tape on the front and place a piece of masking tape on the back of the drawer front where the hole will go to help minimize damage or splintering. From here, use the bolt that was included with your knob. Put the bolt through the hole from inside the drawer box and screw the knob onto the bolt. You may need to use a screwdriver to hold the bolt while you tighten the knob. Pro tip: for drawers 24 inches or wider, you may consider installing two pieces of hardware to have a more uniform pull on the drawer. There are also plastic templates available to help make quick and easy work of finding the best placement, and they're very affordable. We recommend checking your local hardware store to see if these are available, or look for them online. Next, let's talk about pulls. If you don't have a template available, you can look for a landmark on the doors, such as a shaker rail. The top of the rail can be a helpful guide as a great place to line up the bottom of the pull. Then you can use the mounting putty tip in the previous step to hold the handle in place while you confirm that you like the placement. If you're using a template, place some masking tape on the cabinet doors in the general area of where you want the pulls to be. Align the template with the edge of the door, and then use a pencil to mark the masking tape according to the holes in the template. Then use your drill just as before to drill the holes and install your pulls. It's time to stand back and admire your work. If you need help along the way, feel free to talk with one of our friendly chat agents or sign up for our free design service to get one-on-one assistance from one of our professional designers.